So these sort of events are critical because we do them once a year, and it's really our opportunity to educate our customers and our partners in terms of what's going on in our world, what are we innovating with, what are we bringing to market, and what are we thinking about for future roads, future journeys, future products that we're going to bring out. That's kind of the reason why it's so important that we get so many people here.
I think there's no doubt that the reason the forums are so good is the knowledge transfer. And I don't mean just from hearing the EMC people and the VMware people talk, but the transfer. I've seen a number of the various storage admins and IT guys talking to each other about, here's what I did in this case, here's what I'm using the VNX for, here's what I'm doing with my SharePoint, or here's what I'm doing in my SQL. So in addition to what you get from the EMC teams, there's a lot of knowledge sharing going on between the various customers about how they're using the EMC gear, what's their application, what's the use case, what's the workload, and which is the right tool for the right job for them.
So I mean, there are 5 streams we have here at the forum today, mainly around cloud, trust, and big data. And really what I want people to understand is that the world is changing. And the world is changing in the way that workloads and the way that we treat workloads are different. And we need to make sure that people can understand and appreciate how to run their IT environment and how to deal with these changes that are going on in the marketplace. And that's where cloud, trust, and big data all come into play. And they help us to address these challenges that people are coming across.
Well, I think the first thing is we understand the workloads and the use cases better than any other company. We're already the largest provider of storage hardware and storage software on the planet. We have customers all over Europe, all over Asia, and all over the Americas. And they range from the largest customers in the world to small shops. And because we have more units out there and more varied types of workloads, whether that's the Microsoft workloads, VMware, Oracle, SAP, whatever those workloads are, we know how to match the budget, the technology, and our solution set to their workloads and applications.
We have been very successful in Europe. I think we have innovative solutions. We have solutions that are right for the market at that point in time. So I think we're very much leaders both in the storage space, in the virtualization space, and cloud space, and also in the security space.
I think when we come out with new solutions for the customer, there's only so much you can say on a website to explain what the thing is about. So these events are a great way to connect with the customer and tell them, face to face, this is really what this is about. So the customer can really internalize why we built that product.
Well, let's look at how it's been in the last 2 years. Last year, we had about 1,200 registrations. This year, we've got 1,900 registrations. Next year, we're going to be over 2,000, hopefully 2,500 registrations. The reason for that is people get value. They get value from the fact that we're talking around relevant topics, helping them to solve these issues that all of our customers have got. That's why I would say they should attend.